Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's finally complete. It is perfect in every way, shape, and form to manufacturer spec and to performance spec. Now let me explain. The rings were file fit for NA performance application 500 horsepower. Within a year, when he breaks the rings in and seats them to the cylinders perfect and they're seated real well, I told him he can do 100 shot nitrous and not have to regap the rings. I set this up like this prior. Now also the pistons were set up before we bored the cylinders. So we have that made it correct. The machinist did an excellent job. It just takes time, and I hate that sometimes, you wait a long time for things. Well, I had 3 other jobs ahead of this job, and I let my customer go ahead of my job, so now I'm waiting on my stuff to get out, but man, look how it looks. Boy, I did that. This thing's perfect. I went and checked the rod stretch at the machine shop. Man, this thing's perfect. Look at that. You know what, honestly? I'd put this in my car. Look at that thing. Alright, let me go ahead and switch you over here. It's getting dark. This thing's starting to get heavy here. Hold on, let me get this before we have an issue. Okay. Go ahead and get that in. Check this out. Look how they shine. Everything's straight. The gap. Everything. Now, I put zinc all over the cylinders, and I didn't put a lot of oil. Just enough to bang them in. So he's got to put his oil in. Just a little coat of oil. I pre-lubed the cylinders with the zinc oil, the thick Lucas stuff. Every one of the cylinders has been hit. The rings got a little bit of it too. Now I'll go ahead and show you this. Now this is a freshly built motor. I'll put my foot on this. Hope this motor don't fall on my foot. Let's go over here to the other side where I can hold it. Nice and tight, but not too tight. Like I say, it just needs some lube. Oh man, this thing's freaking beautiful. Freaking beautiful! Let me explain something. I talked with manufacturers since we got the pistons. I've been working my tail off to get this thing behind the scenes. To plot and plan to get this to come out 100. And holy shit, did it come out 100. This is a professional build. Everything is 100% straight and to spec. To manufacturers and to Ford spec. As always, like, subscribe, and share. And keep on dreaming. Heck yeah!